Virginia Department of Education. I want to make a quick video on an issue that you see in Continuum sometimes. The RPC server is unavailable. At that point, most of you probably just turn the computer off and turn it back on. That resets it. That works, but I wanted to give you a different way to do it. So let me walk you through this. So what you typically do is do a Control Alt and Delete set. It kind of brings up your task manager. So if you push Control Alt Delete down at the same time, that'll bring up your task manager. And what you will want to do is to go to, I think this is Windows 10, so you want to go to Details on what you're doing. Then you got a certain set of programs you have to you can shut down without shutting down everything else. And as if you were just close Continuum from a normal situation, that same group of files that come up in a box and say they're closing are the same ones that you would need to close now. If you don't close all of them, you will not be able to restart Continuum. But when that RPC server is unavailable, it just kind of locks you up, so you can't really do anything. So here's what you got to close. You got to close anything with ACC in task. Click it in task. In task. It's kind of cumbersome sometimes. In task. Then there's alarm view. You'll end that. The next thing, I'm not sure that it matters which order you put these things in. I know Continuum closes them in a specific order. This is distribution thing. Let's see if I can expand that. Well, it doesn't show. Anyway, that's a distribution that needs to close. Let's see. You just got to go down through that list of things to see what is associated with Continuum. If you had other things like Explorer mode, that would be up. If you had Pinpoint, that would be up there. List view, which I just saw there, list view, you close that. In task. Usually you have a bunch of that stuff up that when it fails, I don't know why it fails. But after you do that, you should be able to start Continuum up again. Let's see. It says I still have something up. If you try to start it, I have two screens, the reason it comes up like that. Let's see what else. I don't think those are on audio. That's one. In task. Let's see if that. Okay. So if you miss one like that, it won't allow you to restart it. But once you got them all closed, let's see if I can bring that over, it will start back up. So just wanted to let you see that. Let's see if we can. I have to log on first, I think. when you close Continuum, this box will come up, and if you can take a snapshot of the box that's about to come up, those are the files that you have to shut down. Those. So if you can write those or take a snapshot of that, all those files there that came up, there was a couple up before I brought that over. Most of them are capitalized, and typically on these they're not capitalized for some reason. But try that, shut them down, and if you're on a computer that you have other programs running that you cannot shut the whole computer down, that is a way to restart Continuum. Alright, so try that and see how that works for you.